Hello everyone, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'll share my Amazon Day 1 onboarding experience. As any other person, I was very excited for Day 1 as I have been applying at Amazon since long time and I was waiting to get placed at Amazon. After giving interview, I got my result within 4 days and my joining date is also just after 10 days. The whole process was very smooth. My recruiter was in contact with me and everything was going good. I received my IT setup 1 week prior to my joining date. Every 2 days my recruiter was mailing me and congratulating me for getting placed at Amazon. It was quite good. I felt great about it. 2 days prior to my joining date, I received an email from my onboarding buddy about the date and time of my onboarding. And make note that for onboarding you need an personal laptop or PC in which you have to set your temporary passwords. So make sure that you arrange a personal PC or laptop for day 1. I was sent an Amazon Chime link. Amazon Chime is nothing but the internal messaging, calling and video calling app of Amazon. It's something like Amazon's WhatsApp. That day, along with me, 25 more people were also onboarded. After everyone's self-introduction and ice-breaking session, we were assigned an IT person to set up our Amazon laptop and set up our VPN key, and we were moved to different rooms. IT people were very patient and helped us throughout the process. And after setting our temporary passwords, I was set to on my Amazon laptop and log in through the temporary password and set up my permanent password and also set up my VPN key. The whole process was very smooth, and the only issue which I faced was I received an VPN key which is of C type, but I was to receive an VPN key which is of USB type, but that wasn't any big issue. It was sorted out. Many people faced many issues because it is an virtual onboarding, so our onboarding went for 2 days, and after that our induction took place. We were briefed about Amazon and the process which we'll be going to work for, and about the managers, etc. And after that we were given a lunch break. After that we played some online games, and it is also my first virtual onboarding process. It was completely different and unique, but it was very smooth. The first impression which I got was the people at Amazon are very cool. And by the end of second day we were given our company email IDs, and also we were logged into different portals where we had to update our details, personal details like bank details and PF details if we had any previous experience, and all other details. And we had to complete some mandatory and important trainings which were to completed in next 3 days. After that we were assigned to our respective teams and managers. All the 25 people which were onboarded along with me weren't in the same team. After onboarding we were idle for 7 days. Obviously we had to complete the mandatory trainings which I have completed, and after a week my manager contacted me and we were assigned to different roles, and my on-job training started, which went for almost a month. If you have watched the video till now, I request you to check out all the videos which I have made on my Amazon experience, unboxing of IT setup, goodies, and I have also received a surprise gift from Amazon. Also check out that video. I will attach the playlist in the description below. Kindly check it out. It would have been great if onboarding happened at office. Thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you.